Here are 5 moments where white politicians mishandled black politics, big misses with serious consequences. Number 5. Bernie Sanders at Netroots. Bernie was asked about Black Lives Matter. He focused on economics, but didn't fully support black concerns. Why? Many felt he missed a crucial opportunity to explicitly support racial justice, which black activists needed to feel represented. Number 4. Biden's "You ain't black." Biden told Charlemagne, "If you have a problem choosing me or Trump, then you ain't black." Why? It dismissed black voters' independence and assumed loyalty, alienating many who wanted to be respected as voters with their own agency. Number 3. Trump's "looting and shooting" tweet. He tweeted, "When the looting starts, the shooting starts," a racist phrase from the 1960s. Why? It inflamed tensions, encouraged violence, and dismissed the valid grievances of black protesters fighting for justice. Number 2. Brian Kemp's voter purge in Georgia. While Secretary of State, Kemp purged over 200,000 mostly black voters under shady reasons and was willing to subvert democracy to protect his party's interests. It also helped him become governor. Why? It suppressed black voices, disenfranchising voters and threatening the integrity of the electoral process. Before we get to number 1, if you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe. Number 1. Rahm Emanuel's cover-up of Laquan McDonald shooting. Emanuel delayed releasing police footage of Laquan McDonald shooting, claiming transparency was risky. Buddy, that was for your re-election. It was a cover-up that hid police misconduct, dismissing black pain and delaying justice for victims of police brutality. We don't see a future president here. Do you have any other examples?